Hi, we are Compilo and this video is regarding the interview questions of data warehouse. What are the benefits of star schema over flat tables? Star schema is made up of fact and dimension tables, whereas flat tables are single tables which include both fact and dimensional attributes. In data warehouse, star schema performs better for reporting purposes because of reduced number of joins. Also, star schema enhances the scalability and flexibility in the data model. Moreover, it supports faster aggregations when compared to flat tables. What is a junk dimension? Can you explain it in detail? If a dimensional model comprises of a lot of dimensions which can be merged to create more meaningful insight, we can use the method called junk dimension, which will eventually reduce the number of columns from the table. Say we have two columns, role with only two values like employee and contractor, and role type with only two values, permanent and temporary. Then we can create a single dimension using both of these columns called junk dimension, which will cross join all the possible attributes. Can dimension table have numeric values? Generally, dimension tables are made up of attributes which are used to filter, group, or even describe the data. So, if the numeric value helps in such activities, we can include it in a dimensional table. For instance, shelf life of a product or frames size of any product. What are the business challenges in a traditional data warehouse? They are costly for business because in case of data requirement, business needs to keep on adding hardware. Moreover, any change in architecture takes months and thousands of dollars. They come with high failure rate. To understand better, you can follow link shown on the screen. Also, they have comparatively slow performance than cloud alternatives because of scalability and similar issues in an era of exponential growth of data. What are the advantages of cloud-based data warehouses? There are a few cloud data warehouse options like Azure Synapse Analytics, AWS Redshift, and Google BigQuery. Although there are assorted benefits of using cloud-based solutions, a few of them have been documented here. They are scalable as per business needs. Its pay-as-you-go model saves hardware costs of the organization. Also, they come with an availability of 99.5% plus. So these were quite a few interview questions. I hope you have understood them, and in case you encounter any of them, you can answer them easily. Thank you.